Hi guys, today we are going to make a quick and easy massaman that is a great dish for dinner or to serve at a dinner party. It's really so simple, it is almost a crime that it can taste so good. In 20 minutes, you can make this delicious and filling massaman curry that's fit for any occasion. The massaman paste is not difficult to make it at home, but contains many ingredients, some of which are not easy to find. It's just really easy to buy the paste ready-made and improve it with some fresh ground spices for a better aroma. Quick and great, right? My chicken massaman curry is the best. Let's go make it with me. Here are the ingredients for chicken massaman curry. But first, I need to tell you about the extra spices that I add in massaman paste. Coriander seed, cumin seed. We will roast it and then pound it and put it in massaman paste. For chicken massaman curry, chicken thigh, potatoes, bay leaf, cinnamon, tamarind juice or tamarind paste, fish sauce, palm sugar, and coconut milk. The reason why that I put potatoes in water just to get the excess of starch off and stop the potato getting brown. I peel potato and I will chop the potato up to make it easy to cook, and also the potatoes will absorb the curry very well. About this size, I will make a potato bird net which is edible and fried it, and then we will serve with chicken massaman curry. I put the potato in water to get rid of the starch, and then I wash it and drain it before I fry it. Cut the chicken in the bite side and make it easy to eat and make it easy to cook. And also we remove the bone out. We using the chicken thigh because they tasty than chicken breast, right? I will add extra spices, coriander seed and cumin seed. When it's ready, the seed will dancing around. So (2.5 tablespoons for 1 kilo of chicken. Ready. Once the coconut milk and the oil separate a little bit, so we will add the massaman paste in there. Leave it simmering until you see the oil from the paste. You need to put the heat in low to medium. The oil separated out from the paste that you can see there in the middle. So then add coconut milk in there. The spiciness comes from the Massaman curry paste, and you can adjust the amount to make the soup more or less spicy. The coconut milk adds a nice creamy texture to the curry and balances the chili spice. Also look great to decorate. Seasoning with palm sugar. Tamarind paste. The taste of Massaman should be sweet, salty, and sour. Bay leaf. Cardamom to give a smell and aroma. Turn the heat too high. I will give a first taste. I think I need more palm sugar. About 1 dessert spoon. For Thai cooking, we need to adjust the ingredients to get the right taste. But first, you can follow my ingredients and then you can adjust how much you like. Add chicken. Turn the heat too high. Then add potatoes. Let them cook together, simmering them together. The easy way is to do this. You put the slice, put the heart on the slice, and then put shredded potato in the heart, and then you can just put it in hot oil. They will stay together in the heart shape. Now my chicken massaman is done. I want to serve it up for you and show you what it looks like.